Hello friends, today's topic, this week Nifty down by 4%. What next? My name is Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Last week, Nifty 50 index fell by around 4.5%. It was the worst weekly fall since June 2022. Currently, Nifty is around 1000 points away from its lifetime high. Economic Times has published a study on how Nifty has performed after a weekly fall of 4%. The study has been done for the last 10 years. On 10 occasions, Nifty has fallen by 4% or more in a week, excluding Corona, since it was an exceptional situation, following in the historical data. Performance after 4% weekly fall in Nifty 50 index. First occasion it happened, September 2015, Nifty fell by minus 4.34% and percentage change after 3 months 3.76%. Second occasion, January 2016, minus 4.54% Nifty fell and percentage change after 3 months plus 1.47%. Third occasion, February 2016, Nifty fall minus 6.79%, percentage change after 3 months plus 10.78%. 4. October 2018, Nifty fell by 5.62%, percentage change after 3 months plus 5.27%. 5. February 2020, Nifty fall by minus 4.79%, percentage change after 3 months minus 21.50%. Sixth occasion, May 2020, Nifty fell by 6.17%, percentage change after 3 months plus 19.69%. 7. January 2021, Nifty fall by 5.13%, percentage change after 3 months 5.18%. Eighth occasion, November 2021, minus 4.16% of the Nifty fall and after 3 months plus 1.47%. Ninth occasion, May 2022, Nifty fell by minus 4.04% and percentage change after 3 months plus 4.55%. 10. June 2022, Nifty fell by minus 5.61%, percentage change after 3 months plus 16.61. Average change after 3 months plus 4.73%. As per analysis, the recovery this time will depend on whether the FIIs slow down or stop their selling of Indian stocks. On 9 of the 10 occasions, Nifty managed to give positive returns after 3 months of a weekly fall of 4% or more. So there is high chance of a recovery in the coming months. However, recovery need not necessarily mean a huge rally like the one we saw from June 2024 to September 2024, when Nifty rallied from 22,500 to 26,200. This was a jump of about 16% in just 4 months. The future market movement will also depend on how the US Federal Reserve takes action against interest rates and when RBI will cut interest rates in India. Today, markets rallied well in the majority part of the day. However, towards the last 2 hours, it slowly started falling and closed negatively and below the 25,000 mark. So you can see the general weakness in markets since the last 2 weeks or so. It is good for long-term investors. However, investors have only seen positive markets will be slightly disappointed with the market correction. End of the video, here is a question. Do you also agree with the data that market may recover to new highs within 3 months? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching, bye bye and all the best.